The Reserve Bank of India is India's central bank and also known as Bankers Bank. The RBI was established on April 1, 1935. The Reserve Bank is permanently situated in Bombay since 1937. The Reserve Bank is fully owned and operated by the Government of India. Sri Shaktikant Das is the current RBI governor. The Reserve Bank has a monopoly for printing the currency notes in the country. It has the sole right to issue currency notes of various denominations except 1 rupee note, which is issued by the Ministry of Finance. The Reserve Bank has adopted the minimum reserve system for issuing or printing the currency notes. The second important function of the Reserve Bank is to act as the banker, agent and advisor to the Government of India and states. It performs all the banking functions of the state and central government, and it also tenders useful advice to the government on matters related to economic and monetary policy. It also manages the public debt of the government. As Bankers Bank, the RBI holds a part of the cash reserves of banks, lends them funds for short periods, and provides them with centralized clearing and cheap and quick remittance facilities. In the early stages of development, central banking, banks used it to keep some of their cash reserves voluntarily with a leading bank, which gradually took over the role of a central bank. The obvious advantage to individual banks was that of the facility of centralized interbank clearing it automatically provided. The RBI undertakes the responsibility of controlling credit created by commercial banks. RBI uses two methods to control the extra flow of money in the economy. These methods are quantitative and qualitative techniques to control and regulate the credit flow in the country. When RBI observes that the economy has sufficient money supply and it may cause inflationary situation in the country, then it squeezes the money supply through its tight monetary policy and vice versa. For the purpose of keeping the foreign exchange rate stable, the Reserve Bank buys and sells foreign currencies and also protects the country's foreign exchange funds. RBI sells the foreign currency in the foreign exchange market when its supply decreases in the economy and vice versa. Currently, India has a foreign exchange reserve of around $487 billion. The Reserve Bank performs a number of other developmental works. These works include the function of clearinghouse arranging credit for agriculture, which has been transferred to NABARD, collecting and publishing the economic data, buying and selling of government securities, gilt edge, treasury bills, etc., and trade bills, giving loans to the government, buying and selling of valuable commodities, etc. It also acts as the representative of the government in the International Monetary Fund and represents the membership of India. Thank you for watching.